Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tails and Paws. And today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of animals. We all know how animals can brighten up our day with their hilarious antics. So in this video, get ready to laugh out loud as we showcase these adorable and goofy animals in action. Let's get started. Our first video comes from the popular Funny Cats compilation series, which has millions of views on YouTube. Cats are known for their agility, grace, and of course, their mischievous behavior.
Good to meet you.
Drop the chicken.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Okay, hold the camera here. Let me get it. Okay, come here.
Hello, this is my house. This is a sakana.
No, she is not. That was a large cat. Cheeseburger?
That's the last thing she needs.
For is literally
Like
real
he's
so it's completely different. The way you make
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that? Come here. Yeah.
When mom falls asleep on burger guard duty.
Ничего, помоем, не плачь. Успокойся. Не психуй.
Look at this idiot. What are you doing? Don't ever do that again.
Shouldn't have been playing with the wrapper.
Why are you in that plant pot? Oh.
It's hard not to burst into laughter watching these feline friends in action.
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Oh.
Now let's move on to our second video, which features man's best friend, dogs. Dogs are known for their loyalty, but they also have a playful and goofy side. In this compilation, We see dogs doing all sorts of silly things, like chasing their own tails, trying to catch their own reflection in a mirror, and failing hilariously at playing fetch.
Come on, boy. Goonie, come here. Come on. Come here. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy.
Okay. Look, Rambo.
After becoming an astronaut, a Rhodes Scholar, or a four-star general.
Ready?
Animals truly have a unique way of bringing joy and laughter into our lives. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more funny animal content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay funny and stay wild.